Yeah, move away, move away.
Give space, give space.
Give us some space. Let this vehicle go.
Make it fast! Make it fast! Let the vehicle move fast! Let it move fast! I'm not well at all! Make it fast! Make it fast! Let the vehicle move!
Move fast.
Go fast, go
Hey,
fast.
move. Give space, give space. Move. Hey, move.
Show us the way, show us the way.
Give space.
When did you wake up?
I didn't even sleep to get up. Lot of body pain.
My hands are paining, leg and complete body is also paining. Something is wrong with me. What is going on at Vaidya's place?
Who knows? Oh, this back pain. If he gets up early and opens, it'll be nice.
Oh, yeah, stop. Yeah, come on.
You can collect the money later on.
Careful.
Take me slowly. My dear friend, is anyone inside?
Yes. He's just reached after his morning walk.
Oh, I'm not well at all. Oh,
First, you go and come.
thank you.
Brother, nobody should have this much of pain.
Give me fast. Give me fast.
Slowly.
One more. Quick.
Have it slowly, man.
Vasu, actually you have to increase the dosage of the medicine. We will again meet, okay? Okay, I will definitely check the quality next time.
Milk.
Oh, so you have reached finally. What happened? Why are you so late today?
Sir, this is not society milk. This milk, I got it from my house. It is pure. That's why it took so much time.
That is the reason you're late today. But I just need normal milk because I have to serve a lot of
That is the
customers
speciality
here.
of my milk.
Tangappa. Hey, Tangappa. Hey, Tangappa.
Yes, sir, here I come.
Come, take this milk. This time, Karili Club program should be celebrated in a very grand manner.
Let's see if we can conduct the festival without them. I'm sure we can.
Correctly said,
Hey,
brother.
Yeah.
They do not ask your opinion. Just get inside. They have collected money from all of us, but the celebration was not grand at all. We should not leave them like that. This year, you should conduct the program. We all will unite together. Hey, Prakasan, keep this. My contribution for this year's celebration.
20 rupees.
Yeah.
Sir, what did he do for that?
This is what I can give now. I'm not very rich, you know.
For some days, he took care of the club, no? We'll take care now.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
this is the matter of our prestige.
Oh, that I'm not prepared today.
It is not about pressure cooker. If they come again, we'll definitely not let them inside.
You're absolutely right. Oh, you thought you're a big boss or what? What are you doing? Completely drunk and coming to market to buy vegetables. Do you have any sense? Don't you have any relatives at home? Huh? Get lost from here.
He started morning.
Bloody fool. What? What are you looking at? Get out! Get lost, I said. You all don't know about me. Oh!
Shark. Who asked for the shark fish?
Move away! I said move away! Who's selling fish here? Come on, tell me! Who's selling the fish? Is this the fish are you selling? Good for nothing. I will not leave anyone. Hey! I will not leave anybody. Hey! Move away! I said move away, guys. Hey! I'll kill you guys. Hey! Everyone should move away when I'm coming to this market. Do you understand? Hey! What are you staring at me for? Stupid vegetable. Take it to your house first. If you don't do business reasonably, I will destroy your... Bloody fool. What do you think? Don't you think what I'm telling is correct?
We are going to start temple festival. Can you contribute whatever you can?
I have just started, sir.
What, guys? Stupid fellows. Hey! What are the programs you're conducting? Kathakali or any other classical dance? You think you're all very smart group? When my guys were remaining silent, you people started showing off. They're about to start their job. Just wait and see. Now you people have to keep your mouth shut. My guys are entering this village. When they come, you all should be here, okay? Did you hear? Get lost! Hey,
What? Leave me. Looking for that time? You're creating some problem here?
Hey,
Drinking
I
and
said
all?
leave me.
What is this?
Hey,
Huh? You're doing all this with us? What do you think of yourself?
Move away! Hey! Hey! Don't know about me. Hey!
Hey, move away.
My children!
Big brother.
Come. My dear friends, what do you get inside the jail nowadays to eat?
Sunday they will give us parota and chicken.
Very good. That's nice to hear.
Huh?
You guys are the new people responsible here, huh?
You remember the old committee, right?
I am the president. My name is Sudhinder.
Secretary, Velachari, Nandu. Cashier, Coembed, Anwar.
I'm a very soft person, the president. From today, if somebody else's name is uttered from the mic in this place, explain to them, guys.
Then there won't be mic or amplifier.
Do you understand that?
Get
lost,
you
you
guys.
just
Get
go
lost.
away, man.
Oh my god, these guys have come from the jail. We are getting into a problem now. Hey, Tangapan, take all the sweets from the cupboard and keep this banana also inside. These guys are coming.
Okay.
Quick. Take it
Let my
inside.
job only, I'll
Come
do it.
on, quick. These guys are coming. Keep it inside.
Okay.
Now let me see whether these guys can eat without giving money.
That's what.
What do they think of themselves?
Let's see, sir, what they're going to do now. What, man? There's nothing to eat?
Yeah, everything is inside. Because of certain situation, I've kept everything inside. Kannapan, you just sit here. I'll bring it now. What do you want to eat?
Idli and side
Okay,
dish.
I will bring it now. Hey, Tangapan,
Yes,
bring
sir.
that appam and curry alone from inside. Come on,
Okay.
quick. Why are you lazy today? Come on, make it fast. Come on,
Feeling
quick.
hungry, quick.
Brother, the food is very delicious today. Big brother, what are you staring at us? Huh? You will not prosper at all in your life. Big brother, egg curry is very spicy. Get me some more, please. I will mix some poisoned egg curry and give it to you.
It's been long since I ate something good.
Yeah.
Sir, today chicken curry is very less.
Yes, brother, very less. We have egg, that is
Yeah.
enough.
Now who's going to pay the money for all this? Rona will give. What about the payment you ate last time? That's all given free. Then how can I run my business? See, don't waste much of your time. We actually require some more bananas. Okay, do one thing. You give the banana completely. We'll have it while we are traveling. I'm going to suicide myself. No, why are you staring at me? Get out. Don't wander here and go to home fast.
You tell us, big brother. Whom do you want us to take revenge upon? We'll do that.
Is that necessary, my dear? Actually, I have a different plan for that. For example, you know the troublemaker Vasu? We have to give him first, you know.
Yeah, that's good. Everyone should come to know.
What did he do for you?
When I was in a difficult position, I had asked some money from him. He's telling me he stopped lending money.
You should have kicked him there itself.
That's what I should
From
have done.
now on, in this village, who does what, all this we will take the decision.
Yeah.
Ah.
Why is he playing the mobile in the middle of the road? Hey, stop. Why can't you walk properly? Are you blind or what? People like you don't have any work in the morning. Get lost.
Yeah, go, man.
Stupid
Fool, get lost.
Don't turn this side. See what guts he's got staring at us? Why are you riding a bicycle so fast? Get down and just walk slowly.
Yeah,
Come on.
go.
Go. I said
go.
He's got a very old bicycle.
To exchange 500 and 1000, did you go to bank, grandma?
Hey, stupid guys.
Madam, we are all very soft boys.
She's old, but
Will not
she's
change
strong.
your life
What
at
to
all.
say?
Okay, what will happen to the matter?
Just come, guys. Don't worry.
It's been 3 months, but the house looks the same.
I think nobody is inside the house.
It is so silent, right?
My dear guys, I'm just going to create a scene
Simply
now.
don't talk something, man.
Just wait and watch. Ooh, who's inside?
Nobody's there in the house.
Eh?
Is there no one here?
Is anyone inside?
Hi, brother. Mom, brother has come. Best team. Suddenly you guys disappear.
We are always like that.
Come, sit.
Sit down, sit down.
And then what else is happening? You're fine, right?
You came back?
Sit here, man.
Mommy?
Who's
Dear.
there?
I think we'll get into a problem.
Let's run.
He's not seen me.
Stand there only. Do I have to tell you alone?
Oh.
Who are you, man?
This is Anwar.
This is Nandu.
This is Sudhindran.
I'm a very soft man, you know that.
Stupid idiot fellows. You all started a chit fund. You all took money from the whole village and ran away from here. I had to pledge the jewels of my wife and then clear all the problem. Look at this. I have paid 2,36,000.
I think the amount is not correct.
See, stop, you stupid fella. This money, only after you come and give it to my wife, only then you can step into this house. Till then, I don't want to see your four of the faces. If I see, get lost. Come on, let's go. Oh God.
Stop, man. Stop there, man.
I'm telling you, right? Stop there itself. Stop, man.
Stop there, I say.
Stop, man.
Hey, I'll
stop
kill
there
you, okay?
itself. I'm telling you, right? Stop there itself.
Hey, I'm telling you,
Catch him,
stop
guys.
there.
Come. Let's catch him. Come. Hey, stop there itself.
Stop
I'll
there.
kill you. Stop there itself.
Stop there.
Oh God.
Yeah,
Just
just
come
man.
now.
Son of a bitch, are you trying to cheat?
Did
You
think
thought we won't come back, huh?
Jail is like our own house.
I had a small doubt that day itself. I know he's a cheater.
How much money did you take from my dad, huh?
4,750 only.
Chit, how much did you do for?
I did not join the chit fund. I didn't take the chit
Then
fund.
why do you take the money from him?
No, to expand the shop.
Let me make very clear to you. Tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock, you have to give back the money to him. Do you hear? Otherwise, you'll get it from me. Get lost. Get lost.
Okay.
I said get
My
lost.
cloth.
Get
lost.
Just go now.
Go, man.
Get lost. Don't turn back.
Keep running. Go. Don't even stop.
Wait, man. I'll see you people later.
I'm a Mammootty fan.
Can we go to watch a movie?
Oh no, I won't come. My parents will kill me.
Why are you so afraid I'm there with you?
Let's go to Ashoka then. There's an English film there.
Okay, as you wish.
There are 3 musketeers there looking at us. Let's go fast. Ew, she.
Now only it's okay.
Hey, Vasu. I am really happy today, you know.
What is the reason, brother?
My guys who are inside the jail have come out very safely.
Is that so? But you should not be very proud of that, you know. My big brother, this is all simply saying. Jail is not like before. It is really nice. Yeah, I'm saying, na?
Anything if we ask, they'll give. But there is a problem.
Huh?
How much ever we drink, we won't go for toilet.
I am telling you with my experience.
Hmm.
When you get nicely from the police department, how can you go to the loo?
That is correct.
Put the card.
Hey, what are
Hey,
you doing?
what happened to this man? He's silent from the morning.
Doctor said no job.
Ah, that's a good thing. Vaidya is turning into a new leaf just now.
What is the matter? Medicine that we take outside, I told it is for drinking. Huh? That doctor gave it to an old lady. Now she is taking treatment in medical college. Thank God, we escaped. If doctor goes to jail, we will be very happy.
You are
That is
right.
true.
We have one more work to change the black name.
Okay, sir. Okay. To tell the truth, I am having lot of problems, sir. Shall I arrange 20,000? Oh, that much is not possible. Yesterday only I had promised I'll give 4 lakhs to another person. Okay, I'll see what I can do. Okay, sir. I'll cut the phone now. For asking the loan, look at the time he's calling. What is this beautiful smell?
That is, today is my birthday, you know.
Oh, is it so? Birthday? For the 5-6 years you have been telling the same thing. Will you ever grow up or not? Because you are 20 only, I am keeping on coming here and going.
Very naughty. Leave all that. Where is my anklet?
Anklets? Where will I go and get these anklets at this hour now? What to do?
My dear sweetheart,
What?
not that.
What then?
This. This is the one.
Oh, this is what you are telling about, huh? Tomorrow itself I'll bring a better one from this and give it to you.
Why are you postponing for tomorrow? I will arrange now itself.
Definitely.
Hey, why are you putting this much only? Let's put everything. Yeah.
It's a cat. My sweet lady, wait. You do one thing.
Huh?
Let us not waste time. Come on, let's go inside and enjoy. You are wonderful. Oh, what a feeling. Ammukutti, I'll go and come now.
Call me Geeta,
What?
sweetheart.
You're always my Ammukutti. Shy, don't turn around and see. My wife will be waiting for me after cooking all the food items. I have to go quickly. Even then, I cannot wait to see you and go. Otherwise, I cannot digest my food. You made me go around you with your charm.
Sweetheart,
Oh,
you have not forgotten about the anklet, no? You love me very much, right?
your anklet. How will I forget?
What happened? What happened? Hey, what happened? Darling, what happened?
What happened
Darling.
are you asking?
Who?
Something somewhere has happened.
What happened?
Don't
What are you
touch the
doing?
lion. Leave me alone.
Hey.
Go away from here. Leave me alone. Go. Give way.
Stop
You
there.
people, don't do me anything. Leave me.
Stupid
leave me.
fellow. Son of a bitch. You will talk nonsense to others about
What
us,
I did
right?
was wrong. Please leave me. Let me go.
What did you do with the money you took from us? Huh?
I don't have the money with me now.
Where
Leave
is
me,
all
please.
our money which you took from us,
Your
huh?
money now. I'll give whenever I
When will you give, man?
I'll
Huh?
give.
Give now.
Not now. Tomorrow.
I said
You
tell the
remove all
truth.
my tooth, I think. Please wait. Leave me. 1,000 rupees is not valuable now.
How much you paid here?
350 rupees I'll give now.
Just run away now. Huh,
Cheat?
Go.
Cheat? Don't return the money, you'll get it from us.
Look at him running.
Thank God.
Hey guys,
Huh?
give me about 150 bucks.
Why?
Don't ask too many questions, my dear.
Today it's enough. Let's go.
Okay.
See how these fellows are sleeping. It's already morning.
What? What do you want now?
What are you talking? Whom have you targeted to trouble today? Huh? I feel so shameful to keep you all at home.
It's all your mistake.
Yes, man. Now you're blaming me for everything? I've struggled so much to bring you up to this level.
Yeah, that's right. Everyone went to jail.
Get up and get lost, you stupid fellows.
One tea, please.
I want more sugar. I want milk.
I'll get you. Drink it.
You saw that? Why is she walking like this? Any problem with her leg?
What happened? You come long way.
What should I say, doctor? From past 2 days, I have so much pain in my left leg.
Left leg.
If I sleep, I can't even get up.
Hmm. You should reduce your work. Is it paining when you're walking?
Yeah, it's there. When it pains, it becomes so unbearable.
Okay. Come in.
What happened to this sister?
What, man? Do you want to see the treatment?
Even I like to do medicine for her. Huh.
Okay, sit down. Keep the legs on the bench.
Oh, pain is unbearable, doctor.
What a color.
Hey, you.
Huh?
Go to the garden and get that green leaves.
That I already did in the morning. Without you telling, I've already done it.
What did you say? You're teaching me,
No,
What?
I didn't tell like that. If you put the line, I'll put the road. That's what I said. I understood you and did in the morning itself.
What about the other leaf?
That medicine, you didn't tell in the morning?
Okay, now I'm telling. Go and get it. Go. Go, man.
This is a big headache. If I see little bit, this guy doesn't lie. Hey, pain in the leg.
Without staring, go and get the things. Go.
Shall I go get it? Ayo, I am not lucky enough.
Okay, shall I apply the oil?
It's burning.
Doctor,
What is it?
can you please make it fast? I'm not able to bear the pain.
That's it. Shall I give you the oil? Take it home, apply with the help of someone else. Okay? That is also better for me.
That's what should happen. Something that was in the hand didn't go to the mouth at all.
Oh.
Fantastic. Club program was very nice.
Now everyone will be proud of us. What applause we got.
Good. People who came from Coimbatore didn't beat us. We were very lucky.
Why do you say so?
What, man? You're talking somewhat different? Nothing. I spoke properly itself. What? Is it Africa? Can't we talk to girls jokingly? That you should talk to girls only? What are you talking,
Hey,
man?
stop, guys. This is enough. Please stop. Hey, how was the festival collection this year? What is the balance amount after spending?
3,750.
And where is the balance amount?
With that, I bought a CD player. Did you see what he did?
Hey, relax, brother. He is also a younger brother.
Hmm.
Hey, where is Sudhi gone?
He has gone to town to bring medicines.
Hey, my dupatta! My dupatta! Hey, wait! Hello? Hey, my dupatta! Hey, wait! Give me my dupatta and go.
Did you get only my auto to fall down?
Sorry,
Take
brother.
the vehicle.
My dupatta was on your cycle. It got stuck. That's why I was coming behind you to take it. Sorry. Dupatta. Dupatta. Okay, I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Rameshan,
Huh?
I think you have money in your
Yes,
pocket.
yes, I have it in my
Oh,
pocket.
oh.
Here, tea.
Uh. Hey, Rameshan,
Huh?
just come here.
What
Come
are you
and see
laughing
this.
at?
Come here.
What are you looking
See
at
that?
laughing? What? What
just
is
see
it?
the scene.
What is this? What happened to this fellow?
There is a saying, God is there to watch everything. Now I'm very happy to see that scene. He is Vaidya's son. See that boy how he's going?
If it is winter season, it has to be very cold. This time, if you open the windows and sleep, you will get fever. Listen to me first. Night time, if you get fever, it will be a big problem. For this, old doctors used to say something like this. They will say some ghost has caught you. Some medicine has come to this house. What happened to this guy? Hey, ghost has caught even this guy.
Hey,
That's
brother.
why he's doing like this.
Hey,
Properly
what
cross and
happened
go,
to
man. That's what I told. Brother, see the way he's standing? Someone who is having stomach pain and jaundice like that?
Every person will have this feeling. Hey, Sudhi, what's your name?
Hey, I don't know.
Do you know the vehicle number?
Till KL36 I know.
I don't know, man.
Are you very serious about her?
I can't believe it, man. She just came and I saw her. Oh, wow, she was great.
She laughed looking at you, right?
Oh, yeah, that's for sure.
Then I don't think it'll work out. Otherwise, you may have to work hard for this.
I am ready to work hard.
If she doesn't leave you, then it's okay.
Hey, just shut up.
Oh, brother, he will definitely struggle. Even we have to struggle with him.
I want to see her. I just want to keep seeing her.
Will you recognize her if you see her again?
From now, I'll identify only her.
Then that means you don't know us at all.
By this, Sudhi, we will get her for you. Somehow we will get her for you. You will have to hold her in this hand.
Huh?
Am I right?
Yes, brother.
You won't get chudidar this side. It's there. I think they have good collection over there. Please sit. Can you take those saris? You always go for Banaras saris. Please take semi-silk saris, mom.
That is the specialty of your mom. Whatever she wants, she takes perfectly. I don't know why you brought me here.
If you don't find mistakes in me, you don't get sleep, right? If you are so busy, why did you even come with us? That saree? Whatever we wear, we look beautiful only to others' eyes, okay?
Yes, I agree. That's right.
Hello, get me that saree.
Then these are all not okay.
I'm seeing.
Oh, this is a very big store. Lot of money would have been invested.
Come quickly here.
Oh, it's such a big shop. If we have to go to shopping mall, we have to go to city, man. City.
You haven't seen the city
I
yet.
won't go to any city leaving my hometown. You came here to correct that lady.
Oh,
Hey,
oh.
you started in the morning. Now you have to stop this.
What do you want, servant?
Actually, we need about 10 to 15-year-old girl. Where should we go and search her now? Let us have few pegs and then go on. You come soon. You guys fall in love and give us trouble.
We'll just search over there as well, no?
Hey, what happened?
Hey, what have you done now? Are you blind? Can't you see anything?
It's okay. Without knowing he did it. Leave it.
Sir, you don't bother. We have seen a lot of people like this. These people come and try to steal.
Listen to me, it's another place.
I am not bothered whoever he is. If anything wrong happens, then I'll be the first person to ask, okay? Hey, why are you staring? Get lost.
Hey.
I said get lost. You'll get it from me. I should not see you again in this place, okay? Guys, take these things and keep in the car.
No problem, we will take.
Come on, take it. That's okay, sir. Please, we'll help. Come on, come on.
Leave it. I'll collect
That's
them.
okay, sister. These guys are there to help. Take everything and keep inside the car, okay? Come on, quick. They are all my assistants. All are very good boys. May I know your name, sir?
Vasudevan.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Sir, are you from army?
No, business.
Oh, actually, that is always safe.
Okay, we'll push
sure,
off now.
What is...
Bye.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Big brother, that's her. My girl.
Hey, that is a businessman's daughter.
That's the same girl we are searching for.
Hey,
yeah.
Then come and take the cycle.
Okay, let's go. So you have not decided to go from here? You want to face our guys? Come, let's run!
go.
It's a simple treatment for treating these small ailments with small herbs. Simple treatment is what they say.
Oh.
With the 3 important ingredients is what this is done. For all the small ailments, this is required. Where will you understand?
Oh God, why is he boring me like this? I didn't say anything.
Eyes, nose and lips. If it's hurt, you can use this. We are removing the skin and flesh, preserving it, and this treatment can be used later on. According to the shape, it can be redone. This is what this physician has been told earlier.
Wakforden.
In the 19th century, after knowing about this only, in the foreign country they started the plastic surgery for the first time.
Doctor, who is this Wakforden?
Huh? Your father.
That guy, is it? Huh?
His eyes are giving a trouble. Oh God. Hey man, go and get the green leaves and salt. Go and get it. Who's there? Open that front door and keep, please. 4 members are brought by the 8 members. Please wait.
Yeah, take them inside fast.
Hey sister, this is Benny brother.
Get lost.
What happened to him?
Relax.
Oh my God.
Look there, Anwar. Oh, today it's houseful.
Oh my God. What is this?
Oh,
Nandu.
Come. Today doctor will give me salary.
Oh my God. What happened? What happened to him? You have got so many injuries. What happened to you? What is this? Ramesh, what happened? At least you tell me, please.
This always happens. Don't worry about it. This is regular. Keep bring him here.
They've got some
Oh my
nice
God.
beatings.
Oh my God.
Hey dear,
Hmm?
where are the old ornaments?
All that is there now.
I am thinking of giving them away and bringing the new ornaments.
I don't want that. My mom has already given all that. Diamond necklace, pearl necklace, gold necklace. We shall give all that to Aarti and Adi. Okay?
Whatever you say is also right. In the future, we can say these are all the old hereditary ornaments, isn't it?
Sir,
Yes, come.
They have a complaint that workload is on a higher side, sir.
Okay, what can we do about it?
You should hire more employees, that's it.
Yes, sir. If you can include about 6 more people, it'll be enough, sir.
Okay, then proceed. What is the procedure? You proceed. Minimum 2 years of experience is required.
Sir, we heard that there was some problem in the shopping mall. What was it?
That is a small comedy. On her, someone had come and dashed against her. From somewhere, 4 people came and had a fight.
When I see that old fellow, he looks like fraud only.
Oh no, Mom. All 4 of them are very nice people. How do you know that? I know one amongst them. That check shirt one.
Okay, who's that boy?
He is my dupatta.
Is it the green treatment given fellow?
Sudhindran.
How do you know that fellow's name?
I know everything, Mommy.
Hey, what is that? You're standing here like a jobless?
What?
Hmm.
How are you doing, my sister?
Lot is there. First tell me what is your matter. That is okay. Which girl did you see? And you have got beaten up so
Hey.
much?
That's nothing. Just that big brother was doing something.
Tell me why did you all 4 go to town first of all?
We went to the town. Who told you this? We didn't go there.
Enough, enough. Don't overact so much. I'll see other 3 fellows in the morning, okay? Now, good night.
Yeah, good night.
When you started roaming with those stupid fellows, I knew that somebody will break your leg and send you home one day. That happened today, no? Very good. I have told you 100 times not to join them. Do you listen to me?
Please cool down, my dear.
I will stop. I'll not talk. Now I have understood everything properly. That you only spoiled those 3 fellows also. Have understood everything now.
What? I am the reason.
Hey,
Don't
just
disturb
shut
me.
up and sleep. Oh my god. After marrying this fellow, I'm dying every day here.
My dear, please
You
relax
shut up. You
yourself.
don't talk. I called my brother and told him somehow within 1 month to get your visa ready. And he said yes. Now you do one thing. You start from here and get ready.
Your father will have to go instead of me.
What is that?
Yeah, I am very sure.
Hey, if you talk about my dad, I don't
What?
know what I'm going to do to you. Hey, leave.
Let's enjoy for
Hey,
some
leave.
time.
Kid is sleeping. You don't understand anything. You. See what I'm going to do to you. Look at your face. You drunken fellow. Always drinking.
Brother, shall I tell you an idea?
No, I don't want any idea of yours.
Nobody gives me a chance to tell something. I'm a small boy. When I fight, I won't know anything. They beat us nicely, right? They beat us nicely.
That's a difference between people who live at city and the people who live here. They don't have good heart at all. You haven't experienced this, right?
Brother, don't get tensed. I'm telling you, okay?
My dear child, it just happened. I'm sorry for that.
You leave that. Look at the other work.
Since we got beatings nicely, we will not back out from our decision.
Brother, you give us a solution for that.
You were telling about some idea sometime before?
I didn't tell anything.
No, you have to tell it now, my dear. I know that you're a very intelligent boy.
That too, when looking at that sister, she looks like a college-going girl. Shall we start inquiring on that? Hey, that looks nice, so that people can't say that we have not gone to college.
How is it possible?
If somebody asks, we can also say that we have gone to college, right?
Yeah, that's a very good idea. I will get a very good name inside my family also.
Big brother, look there. That's her. Can you see her?
Yeah.
Come, let's go. I'm sure that's her.
Okay,
let's go.
come quick. I can't run anymore. Come, let's wait. Look here. She'll be coming this way now. You'll have to stop the vehicle and tell her. Other things we'll take care of.
What are you saying? Hey, Sudhi, If she really likes you, when she sees you, she will stop the vehicle. Because of shyness, her face will glow. Then she will ask, why are you standing here? Then you have to say, I've come here to pick the medicines.
Hey,
Hey,
just
hey,
go, man.
you can talk any nonsense you want. But one thing I'm telling you. If she opens her mouth and tell you that she doesn't like
Hey,
you,
what is this?
you'll become mad, my dear friend.
Hey, what?
Look, she's coming. Hey, be brave. All the best. Okay,
Hey, don't go.
come on.
Hey, let me.
Hi.
Hi.
Why are you here?
Hey, we just came this side because what I should say.
Hey, keep quiet, man.
Yeah, actually, we came here to pick some mustard seeds.
And then where are all the herbs you collected?
Yeah, before that, we thought we'll go for a walk.
I understood. So you aspire to become a famous Ayurvedic doctor like your father, isn't it?
You know my father? You know me also?
I know everybody, okay?
What about name?
That and all I found out.
Hey, not that. What's your name?
Oh, Arati Vasudevan. Dad is
Oh.
Vasudevan, my mother Maithili, and my younger sister Atira.
I think he's going to spoil everything.
Shall I go and talk?
Hey,
Keep quiet,
just be
man.
here. Shut your mouth, okay? I have an idea.
Actually, nobody is here. I am walking alone. Ah.
What about your friends?
Hey, I am not with them anymore. They are not good people. They always keep drinking alcohol.
Are you
You heard that
satisfied?
fellow? Okay, relax. He was just joking.
You know, I can't tell you. I am feeling very, very happy right now.
Let it be. Shall I leave then?
Huh.
There is a relative staying nearby.
Oh.
We should meet again. Hearing you talk makes me feel very good. And I like your style also. Bye.
Bye.
Hey!
Hey. Hey. Ah.
Good.
What is this? Are you all dreaming?
Oh.
Something is going on.
Hey, it's nothing.
Hey, what happened?
Aha. I don't even have any words to say.
Huh? What is this? You're speechless? Brother, tell me frankly, who is that girl in your heart?
It's not mine.
Okay, you both are out. Now you tell me, among two of you, who is in love now?
Love? I'll kill both of you, let me
Hey.
tell you. You did not go to college today?
I don't feel like going to college today.
Yeah, oh, she doesn't go to college on Sundays.
I'll only find it out.
Okay.
Mm. Oh,
Shawl. Shawl.
huh?
Hmm.
It's better if she knows everything. Anyway, she'll know it one day.
Oh, what can I say? When I was in 10th standard, I gave love letter to someone and my father stopped my education.
He has given love letter to his class teacher itself. Whose father will accept this?
He's very smart in this job.
Yeah, that's right.
Brother,
What?
see there?
Arati.
You wicked thief. You wicked thief. She's a very brave young girl.
Oh.
She's come in search of her lover to his house.
Suma? Suma?
Hi, how are you? How come suddenly you're here? How did you find out the house?
When you have a famous father, how is it hard to find out your home?
Come, sit. Mom, Dad, we have a guest at home. Please be seated. Then tell me, what's special?
I'm doing very fine.
So that's the matter. She happens to be your sister's friend? Hmm?
Then something will happen today.
Dad, she's Aarti. I told you, no, my classmate.
Is it so? Please sit down, ma. And what's happening around?
Everything good, uncle.
What's the job your father doing?
He does business. He has a few companies.
Is it so?
Small company? Dad, she's a big shot.
Where are all the others?
You're asking about my brother only, no? He's standing outside with his friends.
All the problem faced in this village is nobody but his brother only. Because of him only.
Oh, that was an insult.
Brother, come here everyone. Somebody has come to see you.
How the hell will I come there? We are already insulted. Why is my father like this?
Hey, you should not speak like this.
Hey, that's not right. I didn't look at his face and tell, na?
Oh, is that so? Hey guys, come. Let's move there.
These four are one gang. He's head of the family also and headache also. Stop all this. Nothing like that, dear. All the naughty things that they do. You know what? He is the reason for all that naughty things.
Hey, they are all my friends.
See? He is the one who is born with me, my brother, Sudhindran.
Dear,
Ah?
please go and bring tea.
Okay.
So, what's happening? I asked, you didn't tell.
Yeah, special news is there, Dad. You go invite yourself, Aarti. And then invite my brother also.
On the 20th of this month, it's my wedding.
Oh, that's good.
Bridegroom is Dr. Sandeep. You all bless her and wish her a happy life.
Happy. Very good. Be well. The God's blessings are always there for you.
What should we tell now to console him?
Shit. He likes her so much. Always, he keeps saying to me that she will be his wife.
To remove her from his heart so soon. That is not possible for him now.
That is called blind love. If something goes wrong in that love, it will be very difficult. It's not important that we love them. They should also love us. That is important.
Why don't you go and console him?
No, dear. Let him be alone for some time. That is only good. If he cries heart out, he'll feel better. Hey, brother.
Huh?
Did you finish writing?
Yes, sister.
Give me. Huh? Hey, you lose. Narrow is narrow spelling. You have written N-A-R-O. How much ever I teach you, you don't understand.
Sorry, sister.
Why don't you write correctly? Write properly. Hey, you're crying? What is this, brother? So silly it is. Brother, love should not be just one-sided. It should be mutual, right? Brother, listen to me first. Aarti is getting married to somebody else. She doesn't have feelings for you. This marriage was fixed 4 months before itself. She wanted to surprise you directly. That's why she was hiding that shawl matter. When we sleep, how many dreams we see? But do you think all the dreams will come true? Think this is also same as that. Forget it, bro. Come eat with me. Come, brother.
Yeah, you go, I'll come. Hey, you go,
You
I'll come.
We are only village people. We don't have knowledge, studies.
That is a naked truth. I accept it 100%.
This is actually a time pass for them.
Don't think about her and suffer, man. You just do one thing. Just forget her. How can you forget, man? She has stabbed in his heart and she has gone. Even if he dies, he won't forget her.
When I see all this, I am able to remember one thing. Catch a war, my heart is burning and you move away. How can you move
shut up.
away from me? I'm totally broken.
We will find a very good hearted girl for you. Better than this girl, okay? It's a promise, my dear. Just forget that girl.
How can he forget that girl when he's in love?
Will you guys stay with me?
Till the death.
You will have to decide now. Nobody will ask you what is right and what is wrong here. We will always be with you.
Where is the police jeep going now?
What is it, sir?
Oh no! Don't hit him! Don't hit him! He has not done
Hey,
anything.
shut your mouth. Tell me, where is your son and his friends?
What happened, sir? What is it?
Oh, so you want to know the reason? I will tell you. Your only son and his friends together have kidnapped a girl called Aarti from her marriage place.
Oh God.
Hey, there is no use of calling the Almighty anymore at all. Their life is gone. I know that your son will not be here, but still I'm telling you, within 24 hours if I don't get those boys, I will put your name in the case and file the charge sheet.
And you will be beaten inside the police station like a dog.
Guys, come soon.
Hey, wait. Let's go this side. Come fast. Brother, get inside the lorry. Come on, quick.
Climb up fast. Come.
Yeah, okay.
Come, go.
Just help me. Yeah.
Come. He'll start.
Hey, walk slowly. Slowly.
இந்த காத்து வந்தாலே உடனே கரண்ட் போயிடுது. இனி காலையில பார்த்தா போதும். ஏமா, அந்த பின்னாடி கதவு பூட்டிட்டு உள்ள வந்துரு. சரிம்மா.
Who is that? Who are you all?
Auntie, you didn't recognize me? I'm Anwar. I'm in Mandaveli. I'm Safi's son.
Oh, is it you? Who are all this?
Auntie, these are my friends. We are actually stuck in a problem.
We have to stay for some days away from our native place. If you don't have any problem, can we stay here for some days?
Oh, is that the matter? You can stay here as many days you want. House is bit small. Come inside.
Enough, mother.
Eat well. One whole day you were all starving. She is my granddaughter, Hasina. Her mother died 4-5 years back itself. Her dad is in Jabalpur. Every 6 months once he'll come. You all have come here. That's a pleasure. Isn't it, Hasina?
Yeah, we don't have to worry about the wild elephant now.
What? Forest elephant?
Huh. Wild elephants will come. But it'll go by itself. Yeah. But do you know where that girl has gone?
Don't
We
know.
don't know.
Huh. I think she loved somebody else. What happened? You didn't eat fully?
Actually, he is going on a diet.
Can you get me that, please? Why, little man? Everything you eat it. Always he'll be eating. He's an eataholic.
Losing a girl whom we love. It's very hard to digest. And getting the blame for that reason. You don't worry, dear. Be brave at heart. We are all with you. Until it's proved that you're innocent, we have to stay away from our place. There is a time for everything. To undergo happiness, to undergo sorrow. Forget everything. Sit down. You know the reason why S.I. Devadas has been removed from this case.
I know, sir. From my side, a proper report will come to you, sir.
Look, we have been getting pressure from our superiors. Somehow we have to find that girl at the earliest, otherwise we'll face into a problem.
No, sir. It won't be late. Since they are villagers, they can't stay in the city for long. Somewhere around they should be in the village itself. To look after them, I've sent police to all the villages. Maximum, we can catch them within tonight.
But be very careful, the media should not know about this. Their family reputation will get spoiled.
No, sir. Till now, no news has gone out.
This case has become my prestige now. So I am giving you complete freedom now.
Thank you, sir.
Catch the culprits at the earliest. You may go now.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
How long you're going to cry like this? Please come and eat something. Why should I be alive after all this? My daughter. I want my daughter now itself.
What is, dear? Please be calm for some time. Nothing would have happened to her. She'll come back. She'll come quickly.
Sir, Aarti is under those guys' custody. That's what police told us. They've also got a clue about the guy's whereabouts.
you don't have to worry too much, sir. Your daughter will come home safely.
The doctor's family.
I've spoken. Somebody ran away with someone who will marry her. That is the reason. They have said no to my daughter.
Oh God. My daughter. What sin I have done? Why this difficulty for us?
Hey man,
Sir?
I want those two people who kidnapped my daughter. I want them definitely. Come with the good news.
Now what should we do, brother?
I'm not getting an idea.
Because of me, you guys are also.
Just shut up. We have done a lot of nonsense in our life too. And for all that now, just think that Almighty is giving us a small punishment.
Is it not too much? Really, where would have she gone?
Just like mother told us, she would have gone with someone else.
Hey,
You don't know about women. If somebody shows more affection, they will leave immediately. You were a little late, that's it.
hey, please don't say like that.
Then what should we say, man? You really loved her, right? But she doesn't want you. Even then, we have to go there. With that, everything is over. Whether she is alive or dead, it's not our problem.
Somehow we have to get out from this case. That alone should be our aim.
Hey, Vasu, at least tell the truth now.
What truth are you expecting from me, sir?
Along with Shiva, you have taken 15,000 interest. You have not given the entire money, that's why he has caught you now. That night itself, those 4 people came to that house. That Benny Verghese gave you bail and he has taken you out. Together you went and you took a room in Balaji Lodge. You guys drank nicely and slept.
Yes, sir. That is the actual truth. You are really correct. Sir, how did you know all these things?
Hey, Vasu.
Sir, I will help you by telling one more truth, sir.
Now come to the track.
When they did not pay back the money, they caught me, sir. These guys helped me, sir. After that, we took a room at Balaji Lodge and we drank fully. One of the guy from our friends puked continuously.
This is what you have been telling from beginning.
You are right, sir. How did you know all these?
You bloody fool.
Sir, please don't hit me.
Prabhakar, take him inside and inquire him properly. Then only he'll tell you
Sir,
everything.
I've not
Go,
done
man.
anything wrong,
Take
sir.
him out.
Sir, please leave me, sir. No, don't hit me. Sir, don't hit me, sir. Sir, it's paining. Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit there.
No, don't hit me. Sir, don't hit me, sir. Sir, it's paining. Sir.
So what's the matter? What's the case progress?
Vasu is again and again telling the same thing, sir.
Did you inquire the people from the lodge?
We inquired, sir. This guy told clearly that that lady was not with them, sir.
Then?
But I have some doubt on them, sir. The doctor's son loves that girl, Aarti. With proper planning, they have gone for the marriage. When they say immediately we have started from there, we can't trust them, sir.
Don't concentrate on those guys alone. We'll have to find some other way too.
Okay, sir. Sir.
I brought him up with love and affection, gave him full freedom. Whatever he wanted, we had bought and given it to him. That is the mistake we had done. We had fear, we are here, don't know what is going to happen. Feeling about my son, whom I brought up dearly, his life is like this, feeling very bad. We had brought him up in a good way only, no?
When he was just 7 years old, he left us and went off. That day my difficult time started. It's still continuing. To get them settled in life, I'm struggling so much. How much difficulty I'm going through. Though my husband was drinking a lot, he didn't harm anybody in life. Without seeing me and my kid, he didn't stay away one day also. What mistake did we do? It's all my mistake. I didn't bring him up properly. Sister, I did not mean that, sister. I could not control my emotions. That's why I spoke like that.
Not only for us, the whole people in this village suffered because of all the trouble he gave them all. That curse, everybody is happy now. He's in jail.
Shit. My family would be very upset because they have not seen me. Hey, I think somebody is following us.
Just come. You might have just felt like that.
Sir, all 4 of them are here. I can see them, sir.
Good.
They are staying with a Muslim family.
For now, don't tell this matter to anyone.
Oh, yes, sir.
Till we find them, let them be there itself.
But that girl is not with them, sir.
That I know, but this matter is something else. What I say you do only that.
Oh, okay, sir.
Vasu,
Sir, let me get meetings tomorrow. I have to take complete rest today, sir.
get lost.
Sir, I will definitely go now.
Go. I told you to go,
Sir has
right?
told me to go now. Did you get those guys, sir?
Just get lost, man.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
take your cloth and go.
Okay, sir. I forgot to take it, sir. Thank you.
Don't worry. I have not come here to trouble you. Stephen, nobody's troubled my dear, no?
Not at all, sir. We have not done anything.
My dear is eating on time regularly, no?
Who are you? What are your demands?
2 questions you asked, ma. The answer for this question is my life. I am actually... I am Raghupati. That is my name. I came from a small village. I am the last one of the 5. I was a useless fellow only. I didn't have food also. Somehow I have to make money, I decided. From the age of 13, I came as a small boy to Chennai. For some days, for surviving, I had tap water. Then I got a small job. With that, I developed in my life. In some company, I worked as a representative. I became an owner and a lacquer. And then I married a lacquer's daughter. I got 2 children. This is the answer for the question, who am I? You asked. Now what do I need? Is your second question. Come. During those days, in a famous college, 2 girls died. That was suicide. Police had decided. After some days, in the newspapers, it was not a suicide, it was a murder. Those 2 daughters, I had given it to my business partners. That is, it was decided in the newspapers. And I had killed the daughters, was written in the news. The news who had written was by a freelance journalist. Maithili, your mother. Police started digging up the case again. They arrested me. Then I was in the jail for a long time. After I came out, I had lost everything. My wife, my daughters, my relatives, and my kingdom. All. I had lost everything. Now I don't have anything. Nobody likes me. I lost everything. I got insulted. Do you know the isolation of trouble? Your mother also should know. That is why I kidnapped you before your marriage and brought here. I don't want you. I'll not touch your finger also. My boys will also not touch you. Instead of that, they'll carefully take care of you. But I'll send you to the red light area in Chennai. Because your mother spoiled my life. That is the gift I'm going to give her. Take good rest. Bye. Take care.
I don't think anybody is there. It's already late, doctor. You can go inside and sleep.
Sir, these youngsters do some nonsense during their youth. Because of that, the entire family will have to face the consequences. Just think like that. You can get inside, sir. It's very cold outside.
Don't mistake us. It's our duty.
Come, let's go.
I'm sure police will be searching for us. So be careful. Hey, where is she? Suma? Suma? Hey! Open the window. It's me, your brother. Open the window.
Brother,
Hey, don't shout. The cops will hear.
how are you, brother?
Your brother and all of us have not done any mistake. Please believe us.
We really don't know where she is.
All of you guys don't fault with us and send us to jail. I swear, my dear, Arati is not with us. Until we find that girl, we will not surrender to the police. That's why we are hiding and living.
Actually, I want to. Hey, keep quiet, man.
Everyone is all right now here.
Brother.
Don't tell anyone that we came here. We can't stay here anymore. We are going now. My dear.
Hey, it's police, man.
Let's go.
Brother, see there.
Don't make a noise.
Hey, hit him, man. Hit him nicely. Who is this guy? Hey, hit him, man. Hit him. Who are you, man? Who are you?
Who are you, man?
Why were you peeping inside? Hit him. Hit him.
How dare you?
This is the guy. Hit him nicely. Don't leave him. Grab him.
My dear.
It's you?
Where
Don't
did
worry,
you
dear.
go? Where did you go all these days?
Darling, please don't worry.
I got
Please don't cry.
scared. What might have happened to you?
Hey, I'm telling you now. Please don't cry. Where is the sun? Huh?
He is sleeping. Why did you all do like this?
Hey, it's not us. We didn't do it. Please try to believe us.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's not stay here. Come.
Guys, can you just have a look at my son?
No, brother. Let her be here itself. Whatever be the sound, don't even come outside.
Don't leave me
Come.
alone.
Come, brother. Come.
Don't leave
Just
me
come now.
alone.
Come.
Make it fast. Come soon, brother.
Brother, hey, police, police.
Come soon.
Quick, quick.
Come soon.
Come.
Fast, fast.
Come soon.
Run fast.
Brother,
Yeah,
come
okay,
soon.
okay.
Yeah,
Come,
let's go.
Hey,
Hey,
hold on. See that?
Who's that?
Come, let's see.
Hey,
hold
catch
on.
her.
Where are you running?
Don't leave her. Because of you, all our lives have been spoiled. Let them come. Let the police come. We'll tell everything about you.
Don't talk nonsense now. If police catch us now, then all the blame will be put on us. We should plan carefully, otherwise our life will be spoiled.
Move on, come on, quick.
Come, let's move from here.
Come on, quick.
Come. Let's go. Come
Yes.
fast.
Run fast. Come.
Come running.
Look here. They really didn't want me to get out of there. They didn't give me any food also. For 3 days I didn't even drink water. I couldn't even scream. Me. He came back again yesterday to send me off.
Aarti, get up, please. This is Sub Inspector George Jacob. He is investigating your kidnap. He is the same police officer.
I've already seen Aarti. Now where is the case? But if we have to close the file, there are some formalities to do.
You're right, George, sir. Let us start together. We have to take her safely to Kamartipuram.
Sudhindra and the other guy, Anwar, Nandakumar. Among these guys, Sudhindra was actually in love with this girl.
Huh, poor fellow. Loving a girl dearly and missing her. That will change his life totally. He wouldn't have think about it in his dream also. And his friends also.
Now, all of them are actually inside a Muslim's house within the sight of the policeman.
The moment Aarti goes to Chennai, those boys should be in this godown. In my control. In a small village, the moment you are famous, the inspector will arrest them and keep them in the jail after catching them. Before the marriage, along with the friends, kidnapping the lover girl and leaving her in the red light area. After that, they will search for the girl, all the police together, cable TV and newspapers will publish it. In Twitter and Facebook, Aarti stories only will run around. And your mother, whatever she had written in the old article, this will be much bigger and popular. After that, all is over you will not be able to show your face outside. You will have to be indoors only. Then your mother will come to know how my pain and sorrow was. Understand? Instead, I simply made a small phone call to my wife. My 13-year-old girl is afraid, it seems, that I'll do something to that girl. Stephen,
Yes, sir.
take that girl away from here.
Come here with me.
Leave me! Leave me!
Just stay quiet.
Leave me! I said leave me! Leave me! I said leave
Just
me!
shut up. I said stay
me.
calm.
I understood that my life was draining away. I didn't even have the power to react to anything.
Come, guys.
Yeah, here you go.
Guys, the beer is too cold.
Yeah, keep drinking. Take it fast.
Let's enjoy the drink, guys.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hey, catch her. Come on.
Yeah, come fast.
We should not leave her. Come on, quick. Quick, guys. Come on, come search this thing. Come.
He wants to take vengeance to my mother. He is very adamant. But you all didn't do anything. Then why you?
You didn't do any mistake, right?
He is capable of everything. Even the police is with him. They'll come here any moment.
Never. If Aarti is having any issues, we won't leave her. We will safely take you home, even if we have to die for that.
Yes. Whatever happens, we are with you. Good evening. What is the case progress?
We have confirmed that the lady was with those 4 guys itself. We know where they are actually staying now. Our men will catch them soon.
Now, where will we go and search for that?
We'll have to be very careful while going out. Police is searching us all around.
What can we do now?
We need not do anything. We just have to face everything. They'll be knowing that we are here. What kind of problems we have to face? And getting more.
Because of me. You all.
Can you just keep quiet now?
Hey, see there, he's coming.
Where were you, man?
I bought it for you itself. Keep it. I went to bring this.
Oh, we were so
I
frightened.
brought it for Aarti also. Give it to her.
Yeah, take this.
We have sorted that problem. Now we are relaxed. You know how happy he was after all this?
Why are you jumping with joy for all this?
That's what I wanted to say.
Enough. I can understand everything. You're really a naughty boy. I'm leaving.
I think a new love story is going to start from here.
Brother, we don't even know what this guy is going to do.
Yeah. Come.
It's like cat chasing the rat. Now what you are telling is. But if we delay more, whatever plan we had planned,
What you said was correct. We shouldn't delay this anymore. We have to catch them soon.
that you don't have to do. That will be a big problem. My people will take care of it. Where are the 4 people? Find and let me know. Call me.
I'll call you right away.
Yeah, no, sir. They are not here, sir. They all are missing. I searched everywhere, sir. They are not here anywhere. They must have found out any other place.
Shit.
Don't you want soda?
No. Touching is enough.
Side dish? Okay, you can have this.
For some days you were not even there. Where did you go?
I've been on a spiritual tour to lot of places, covering lot of
Oh,
temples.
is it like that?
Then you thought I was inside a police station or what? Don't talk nonsense, just drink and get out.
Hey, it's police!
is coming!
Run!
Run away! Oh, yo!
Hello, sir. How are you?
Take him! Where are you going?
No, please don't hit me, Inspector. All have come today with uniform to hit me.
Okay,
Okay, you want a small pig or a large pig?
give us full.
Oh, you mean a full
Okay.
bottle? Okay, let's have some fun.
Go, man,
Hey, get inside the vehicle, man.
Please,
Get
sir,
inside.
please, please, sir, my bottle
All
is
that
allowed,
is
sir. Let me
fine.
take it,
Now
sir.
we'll start giving you. Come, get inside. Push aside, man. Get
Sir,
inside.
I will feel
Start the
thirsty
vehicle.
inside the jail, sir. Let me take that bottle, sir. Reghupati, very intelligently, he's made us a trap for us. And because of that, all of them are against us now.
Brother, will they catch us? Why are you getting tensed, man? Because of his miscalculation, Aarti is with us now, right? We have to finish the rest of the story. He'll come looking for us. Before that, we have to plan properly.
Since police is also against us, to prove our innocence, we have to do something soon.
The more opponents we have to be very careful. Brother, you just leave it to me. They have to cross me. Then only they can come to you.
Hey,
I don't know where I was born. Don't know who held my hand when I started walking. In my childhood itself, I had to face lot of problem. I was starving. Then only I met you guys. My entire world is only 3 of you guys. I thought I was actually in a loss. But I've got everything today.
my dear.
My world is you. Only you.
Che, stop it. Don't talk nonsense.
Sir. I have already told you everything, sir. Within 24 hours.
Shut your bloody mouth. Don't want your explanation. It's enough. Hereafter, I don't want anybody. I'll take care of it myself. Stephen, don't leave anybody alive. Even if you see them in the crowd, finish them off all.
Yes, sir. They will not live anymore in this world. The longer we stay, Mother, it'll be a problem for you and your daughter. Already, it's too late. Whatever it is, we have to face the consequences any one day.
Children,
We'll start, ma'am. We'll meet the opponents directly. We don't have to be afraid when they have forgotten us. If we are afraid, we'll become nervous.
We will never forget you for your love and your support.
I was thinking that I have done lot of sin. After you all came here, I felt that I got everything back. Now that you're all leaving, it's okay. Everything will be fine. God Almighty is testing us a lot. When God loves somebody, then only He'll test somebody like this. During that time, we'll be punished for no mistake of us. You should never forget us, okay? Be happy, my children.
We are leaving, Hasina. Okay, sister. I'm leaving now.
Take care, mother.
Okay, dear.
Get up!
It's okay. Boys look smart, but they are not healthy. For this and all, I have to personally get involved. Hey Aarti, because you have these jokers, you're coming and standing here. I like your courage. Crowded people are around here. It'll be good to see the fun. Come on.
Yeah!
Don't leave him. We are there. Come here.
Stop it.
Please move aside.
Sir, he spent everything.
He's the one who kidnapped Aarti to take revenge.
He is one of the partner.
Hey, stop it. He had kidnapped Aarti, sir, and actually was trying to putting blame on all of us. Arrest him. Let him put him inside the jeep. Okay.
Come on. Get in. Hey, go man.
What is all this?
Dad, we haven't done anything. We haven't kidnapped anyone. Everyone was doubting us, so we had to leave and go away.
Sir, we have done a lot of mistakes in our life, but we have not committed any crime.
We can't do all that, you know. If you guys think that we have done something wrong, please forgive us.
Daughter? Aarti? Aarti?
Oh, my baby.
Mummy.
Where did you go?
I'm really very happy. I'll never forget this help you have done. Please come inside.
No, sir, we are not coming now. Because of this boy's ignorance, he started loving your daughter. Without thinking anything else, we also supported him. Finally, we had to face a lot of problems too.
His love, we thought, was the biggest thing. Right or wrong, we didn't think about that much. From now on, we won't give trouble to anyone.
Only when you experience something, you will learn the lesson. So I also learned. You should not wish for something you don't deserve. Someone in your standards, rich and educated person will come for you. You will live happily, I am sure. Whatever happened, I'll try and forget everything. I'm really sorry.
Whatever has passed, it looks like a dream. Now, it looks like there's nothing in our life.
Yeah. We should have such experiences too. But one thing, because of this, we have seen the outside world also.
I'm actually in a different world.
Yeah, that I understood. Anwar, I am telling you from my experience. All this is not for us, man.
Brother, see that?
When you left me at home and went, all four of you forgot one thing. That we have become very close in just these few days. I should have been hated by you, but still you all loved me. You kept me safe. Then why do you want to avoid me now? Can't we be very good friends?
We don't have any hatred against anyone. We all together just played for some fun, that's it.
Such unexpected incidents teach us a lot in life.
Okay, you just leave everything. From now on, we 5 people will take this village to a new level. We won't leave even one person.
Wait. I have a doubt which has to be cleared. Once we earn very well and settle in our life, if this boy gets his usual habit once again...
Hey, big brother.
What? What would you do?
handle it that time.
That's enough.
Fine,
That's
then
enough.
it's okay.
Hey, we won't leave you guys.
Brother, we are in trouble.
Guys, run away. Come on.
Don't run. We will not leave you. Stay there. Hey.